Hey traders, have you ever stared at your chart, wondering if it's time to buy or sell, only to get whipsawed by fake moves and end up frustrated? What if there was a simple tool that cuts through the noise and shows you the real trend direction, like a traffic light for your trades? Today, we're diving into a game changer for spotting trends on TradingView. Stick around. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use it to level up your trading. All right, let's start with the basics. This indicator is a free open-source indicator on TradingView created by BigBeluga. It's designed to solve a common problem: messy charts full of confusing swings that make it hard to know if the market's trending up, down, or sideways. This tool takes those raw swing points, the highs and lows where price pivots, and turns them into a smooth, adaptive trend band. Traders love it because it gives you a clear visual bias: green for bullish, buy opportunities; red for bearish, sell opportunities. No more guessing. It helps you stay on the right side of the trend and avoid trading against the flow. Features: pivot-based. Averages. It takes the recent swing highs and swing lows, pivots, then averages them, creating two smooth levels, one from highs, one from lows. Trend state via crosses. When price closes above the upper average, trend turns green, bullish. When price closes below the lower average, trend turns red, bearish. Trend band. A colored zone, green or red, that wraps around price to clearly show you which direction the trend is flowing right now. Structure triggers. Small green triangle, price breaks a previous high, bullish continuation signal. Small red triangle, price breaks a previous low, bearish continuation signal. Add the indicator. Setting this up is super easy. Here's the step-by-step. Log into TradingView and open a chart for your favorite asset. Click the Indicators button at the top. In the search bar, type Pivot Trend Flow BigBeluga. It should pop up as an open-source script. Add it to your chart. Setup. Now, tweak the settings. The main ones are pivot length, default around 2, smaller for faster signals on lower time frames like 15 minutes, larger like 5 for smoother on daily charts, and average window. How many pivots to average? Try 10 to 20, higher for stability in choppy markets. There's also a toggle to fill the band color. I like it on for visual pop. Hit OK, and boom, the band appears. Pro tip: start on higher time frames, like 1 hour or 4 hour for clearer trends, then drop to lower ones for entries. How to use: for a buy, long, wait for the band to flip green, bullish cross above the upper average. That's your signal the trend is shifting up. Or, in an existing green band, enter on a green triangle label for continuation. Stop loss. For longs, place below the recent pivot low or the lower band edge. Exit when the band flips to the opposite color. That's the trend reversing. Or trail your position using the band as a dynamic support or resistance. Take profit. Use a 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio. Or target the next major support or resistance level from your chart. For a sell, short. Band flips red, bearish cross below lower average, enter short. In a red band, use red triangle labels for ads or new shorts. Common mistakes to avoid. Even pros make mistakes, so let's cover some beginner pitfalls. Ignoring the bigger picture. Don't trade a green band on a 5-minute chart if the daily is red. Fix: always check higher time frames for alignment. Chasing every label. Not every triangle is a must trade. They can cluster in chop. Fix: wait for confluence, like volume spikes or candlestick patterns. Over-adjusting settings. Tweaking too much leads to curve fitting. Fix: start with defaults and backtest on historical data. There you have it, the Pivot Trend Flow by BigBeluga demystified. It's a simple yet powerful tool to flow with the trend and boost your confidence. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more trading tips. See you in the next video.